This is the brief on breaking the emotional habits of your old self. So we're diving into the science behind those emotional loops. That automatic stress script your body just loves to run. But more importantly, we're talking about the exact tool you need to interrupt it right now. First, you've got to understand this isn't a choice or some kind of moral failure. It's just simple biological conditioning. An emotional habit is basically an old, unconscious program. Through sheer repetition, your body has been chemically trained to crave familiar feelings like anxiety or worry. They're just the residue of past experiences. So that urgent feeling you get, that's just your body signaling, hey, I want another hit of that familiar fear. And that signal, well, it's not your truth. Second, all transformation happens in the microgap, that tiny split second between a trigger and your response. To interrupt the loop, you have to deny your body the chemical signal it's screaming for. In that moment, you do three things. Name the pattern, that's my old self, pause, and then choose a different response. The best tool here is the two-breath pause. This simple act pulls your energy right out of that frantic emotional center, proving that real change starts with breathing, not just willpower. Finally, the long-term secret is simple. Be more committed to a new future than to your familiar past. Repeating these new choices actually rewires your brain. The old neural circuits, they stop being stimulated and literally start to prune apart. This whole process prepares your biology for a future you're only imagining as if it's already happened. So, breaking the emotional habit of the old self is really a conscious, moment-by-moment practice of choosing to be unpredictable.